here only 1 month left, and how you can utilize this 1 month properly. So that's why here we are going to start the crash course on computer science. It is for you, and here I will help you to cover the complete syllabus in that way, in a proper way, in a scientific manner, so that all the important topic of computer science you can cover, and the difficult topic, little bit time taking topic, what are the mathematical topic, that we are going to cover fast, so that after that you can get a time to practice it and to absorb that topic. And next we will go for the theoretical topic. And not only that, here this course will be not only unit wise, here how you can do the mind mapping. That's why I designed the course in this way. What are the related subject are together, that subject we are going to learn together. So how it will be, see that. And before that, I am telling you when the course is going to start. The course is going to start on 11th July and ending is 10th August. So exactly 1 month we will finish this all. And your exam means computer science predicted date is maybe 12th August, because next slots are coming from 12th, 13th and 14th. So if we are predicting that also ki 12th August is your exam, before that only within 10th August your complete concept with MCQ, previous year's question, everything will be done. So let's see how is the planning. Here I am showing you the planning of this 1 month, how you can do that. First of all, 11th July will be the number system conversion, because number system is very important, questions are coming from here. Next only we are going to go for the graph theory. Graph theory, after the graph theory only we will do data structure algorithm, because in the graph theory mostly concepts are related to data structure, because here we are focusing on tree, path. So these are related to algorithm. Here you have to learn the complexity also. So that's why after graph theory only we will learn the data structure algorithm. And every 4th day you are getting a doubt clearing session where you can ask me your doubt and I will solve your doubt. And in that in this doubt clearing session, not only posting doubt in the chat box, you can raise your hand and you can talk with me also. That is this feature you are getting in the paid course. And after that you are coming to the next data structure algorithm class after the doubt clearing session. Now after completion of data structure and algorithm, next important topic is theory of computation, because when your mathematical knowledge, data structure knowledge, algorithm, number system is clear, now definitely you can go for theory of computation and compiler. That's why here we will do theory of computation and compiler. And in one day I will give you all the important topic from where always questions are coming, and you can exactly sure some marks here. Then we will go for the set theory relation. After that again you are getting a doubt clearing session. After that here propositional logic and Boolean algebra together. Why? Because in propositional logic and Boolean algebra these subjects are very much related and all the formulas are actually same. Even also propositional logic question you can solve using Boolean algebra Carnot map. So that you will learn here. So from propositional logic also always 2 to 3 questions coming, Boolean algebra simplification also always 2 to 3 questions are coming. So together you can get a 5 marks here. 5 question means near about 10 marks you can get here by mind mapping. Next thing we will do the digital logic, other part of digital logic we will do here, then computer architecture and again the doubt clearing session, computer architecture. Next thing is programming and computer graphics. See, now you will think that why programming and computer graphics only 1 day, because definitely within 1 day you cannot learn programming, and in this time those who are already good enough in programming they can get a good score, and if you are little bit lagging in programming, then what you can do, I will give you the link of a complete course that is already done of programming. If you want you can avail that course, you can go for that recording. For this you will get Saturday and Sunday time. That's why in this time means before that you can see the schedule here. After 15th, 16th and 17th 2 days is gap, and after 22 23 and 24, these 2 days is gap here to learn. If you want that I want to learn some detail, so that you can refer the detail course, that link also I will provide you in this Saturday Sunday. You can go for as per your choice, whatever I want to learn in detail, I want to go for the detail course, you can go for it also. Now after computer graphics and programming, we will start the database management. For the database management, actually you are getting 3 classes, because database management, then doubt clearing, again database management. So we will complete it. Next, operating system also there is 2 classes, then doubt clearing. So total 3 classes you will get for operating system. Software engineering and computer network. Software engineering today, computer network, after that again doubt clearing. So ultimately within these 4 days we will cover computer network and software engineering. And finally there is artificial intelligence. So this is the planning, because it is totally packed schedule, so that within these 30 days you can cover everything. After that also I am telling, if you took this subscription, then all the complete course, all the unit wise course are already there, that also you can avail through the recording. It will be your choice, it will be as per your preference, you can see that. And with this same subscription you can avail paper 1 courses also, that is paper 1 course is also coming, and batch course is also there. With the same subscription you can avail the mock test, full length mock test of paper 1, full length mock test of paper 2, computer science, everything you are getting with this 1 month subscription. Why you are waiting? Take your subscription using my referral code Priyanka C Live. You will get here 10% off, and start your preparation 11th July to 10th August. Now you will ask me what will be the time. Time is 5:30 AM morning, because early morning, wake up early morning, learn it, complete your learning, then start your day for other work. So every day 90-minute morning session will be there for you, 5:30 to 7 AM. After that you are free to do your work, like household work or like a office, whatever work you want to do. You can go to college, you can do everything. Again you can come back, again you can learn in next morning. So take your subscription, start your preparation in this crash course computer science for your NET and JRF. I will meet you soon. Thank you. Bye bye.